When talking about time filtering, you can always use a filtering technique that allows you to take the order dates and filter by date filters using, for example, today, or yesterday as the most important options. But sometimes, for example, after the weekend, you would like to see the last transaction date and you cannot find something similar in here. So we will try to create this kind of filter, but it might also be applied to last month, current month, last week, whatever dimension you wish. So let's start once again by creating a new column. Is it the last day? This is the new column we will have, and we need to check line by line if the order date we have in here is equal to the max order date coming from the whole order date column. We get yes or no, true or false column, and we can of course apply in here more complex if statement if necessary, but we will keep it as it is. And after refreshing everything, we can create a pivot table with, let's say, sales and region as the main content of the pivot table. And afterwards, we can also insert a slicer based on the new column we've created. And by applying the true filter, we will see just the results for the regions. We can also change the field settings to enforce items with no data. This might be useful because you will see other regions that had no sales. And what is more, we can also change the pivot table options for empty cells. Empty, this means they don't exist, it's not zero, they don't have any value. We could enforce also 0 to make the report more consistent. This slicer might be visible, but as we discovered in the previous lessons, we can also hide it so that the report is always filtered for the last day.